Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on the dollar Swiss, I mean, we definitely got it engulfing up on the daily time frame. So we do know one thing for sure, which is that this wave from here to here is over. Now, that doesn't mean that it needs to go up. The only reason why I think that it potentially needs to go up is because I believe the dollar index could be in an uptrend for the next several weeks. And if the dollar index is in an uptrend for the next several weeks, this will also be in an uptrend for the next several weeks. So that is why I think there's a good chance that this could end up doing something like this. But we cannot rule out the possibility of this move up just being a pullback to this last move down. We cannot rule out the possibility of it just going to a Fibonacci level and continuing the downtrend. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So we have a bit fib level on here. If this right here is the bottom, then it will maintain impulsive movement, as in the waves will not be that overlapping. For the most part, there'll be higher highs, higher lows. If this right here is actually going to end up being a pullback to this last move down, then it will likely stop making very overlapping patterns and eventually, probably make some sort of an ABC three-way pullback to a Fibonacci retracement level and then end up breaking to the downside and continuing the downtrend. So we really need to try to observe what it does to see if it makes impulsive movement eventually going up and taking out the highs, or whether it makes corrective movement, like something like this. The only reason why I think that it potentially could end up making impulsive movement like this is because of my US dollar analysis. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.